In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to install a wiper delete kit on this Vauxhall Corsa D. So guys, this is how simple it's going to be. We've got a T25, got two screws, 1, 2, take them out, CAD will come off and we'll be at the wiper. So, what we're going to do, the T25s, looks like it. Yeah. Take this off. Got one, keep that safe, one here, two, take this card off, which I'm not too sure exactly how, but CAD's off. Put that in a safe place. This is the motor, so we'll be taking this motor off. We'll just disconnect this for now. I'm going to disconnect this one here. Pop out. Should you push these in? Come on, yeah, push that in. Motor comes off. Now we've got to take 1, 2, 3 star shapes off, which we're going to use for here. So just like so, guys, I'm going to take 1, 2 and 3 star shapes off by here. We'll take them off, motor comes off, and we'll go from there. So guys, just like this, now we've got our socket set. I'm going to take this off here, like so. One, we've got 2, take 2 off, like so, and then finally to get the motor off, do that by hand, then just loosen this out then. So, now we just gently wiggle this out. But before I do that, let's take the wiper off. So, never taken this wiper out, so we're about to find out how to do it. I think it's going to be behind this case. I'm guessing.
How did I know that?
So I'm going to leave this by here for now. I'm going to get my socket set again. That's my biggest socket I've got. Let's see if this works. It's meant to be. It's just meant to be. Oh, that's a big one. I should have done this before taking the motor off. Oh. Where there's a will, there's always a way. This one, the motor's not going to fall off. What am I doing? I could have put it inside the car. So, I'm going to slowly take this off. So let's try some WD-40 on it. don't want to pop the glass either, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bolt back through here. Like so. Put one into here. Just to hold it in place. Now we can see if we can get this one off. I've had enough, guys. I've had enough. Let's see what I can do this way. I'm hoping I can just like cut this off clean. So what I'm thinking, guys, if I can smash this piece off here, I can just through the hole result into a final destination. I'm gonna try and cut this off this way. I'm hoping without damaging the window, without damaging the plate, well, the car. I'm hoping the more I can snap cut through this, it'll be easier. Okay, well that piece is off. I'm hoping that's going to be able to fit through that hole. If not, I'm going to have to go this way and take that off and go through the metal. So let's see if we can get this off. Bear with me. Guys, we're back. Back at this stage. Once again. We're back at this stage once again. I'm covered in oil for doing the exhaust video. You guys would have seen that video, I don't know if it was yesterday or Friday or last week. I don't know right now, but you guys would have seen that video. Let's see how big this hole is. I might have to cut this piece off through the bottom of here, so I'm not sure how big that hole is. So I'm going to cut this off here. Let's go. So guys, I'm cutting the bolt off. Welcome to Corsa life. Here we go. Well, we got it off. Well, we got that off. Let's get this out. God, my hands are dead now. And then this one. And now it should just pop out. It's like a wobbly tooth now, this thing. Jesus! You can see how much we took that off. Oh, crazy. Right. So I'm just going to clean this window up. I'm not going to do the whole window, I'm just going to do the best part of it. Clean this up here. Clean this hole out. wipe it over here. Like so. Now we're going to do the outside of the window, right here. So. Just gonna get this under here just to get rid of all that dust that I made earlier. That's better. Now we got the semi-easy bit. Got some duct tape. We're gonna need it. And I've got my piece. This piece is gonna fit in here and then pop through here. And then we're gonna take this protective film off once we're all done. For the meantime, what we're gonna do, or do I take it off earlier? I could take it off sooner because then it'll be a lot more less of a pain to try and get out. Because this one is an eBay kit. This isn't an actual professional kit for Corsas. This is an eBay kit, so this is like 2mm deeper. But I don't really mind that because obviously I'm just doing it for you guys on a budget. So, hey ho. What we'll do, we're gonna put this here. We've got this, I'm guessing it's like window glue, I'm guessing. I've no idea what it is or anything like that. I've never used it in my life, but we're about to find out. We're gonna snip this little corner here, like so. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna come around this beading on the inside, like so. Got a lot of that on here. Keep this out of the way for now. I should have put this on some tape, but hey ho. And now we're going to just get this, push that into place, like that. Once that's been pushed in, put my finger around there, get rid of any excess, like so. I'm gonna also check on the outside. So as you guys can see, I was squeezed out of all the edges. That's what you want to see. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use a cloth and just wipe that around. So guys, just like that now. Yeah, as you guys can see, this stuff is horrendous. That's why I'm wearing gloves. But I've pushed it into place, just using a cloth, wipe up around here, get it off whilst it's still wet. The last thing I want is this stuff to dry, and then it's all over the car. Whoops. Now I'm going to have to get some tape quickly, so leave that here like so, keep that up there. I'm going to move quickly because there we go, like so. Get this tape, I'm going to push that tape up and over this for now. That is just here to make sure that's going to stay in place, like so. Voila. And now I'm going to leave that to dry. And once that's dry, we'll be job done, peel this off, and we'll be happy days. The reason why I would have took this sticker off in the beginning is for this reason here. But my cameraman insisted for me to not do it and for me to wait. Just like that. We got this in place. I'm happy chappy. Car looks a lot nicer. Wiper delete done. Time to go home. What I'm going to do now quickly, and get a little bit more tape, just to go around this wiper connection, I'm just going to put a bit of tape around here, like so. Just because if in the future, if we ever sell the car, or you know, if I ever change my mind on what I want, this isn't going to get, you know, covered in any water. No water's going to be in it. We're going to be okay. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to snip this piece here off. Take this off here. I don't need that. Fold it over so no water can get into it, and then we are good. Just like that. We've taped up the electric part. Get a little bit of tape. Don't need a lot for this. Only so you don't hear this within the any of that within the thing. I'm just gonna get this. I'm just gonna tape it up to the actual boot itself, or trunk if you're American. Just like that. And voila! Wiper delete, installed. Last but not least, what I've done as well, I'll quickly show you guys what I've done here. I've just cut a little piece here because I am planning on getting the windows tinted, so when I get the windows tinted, at least they have got a little bit more room up here to play with, and I'll probably just end up leaving the tape on here, just a lot more easier. So I've done that for now. This piece goes up here, like so, and we've got to get these up over here, like that. Just like that. That's that done. We're right up here. So I'm going to get these screws, put these two screws back in the door card, we'll hold it up. Like so. Like that. Here's one. And number two. Up here and in here. And there's that done. So, from the outside, it looks 10 out of 10, I think. Just got to clean this up a little bit, but we'll do that now quickly, and then we'll get a real quick edit of what we've done. So, after a lot of performance and a lot of faffing, job's done. If I can do it, of course you can do it. So guys, just like that, if you guys did enjoy the video, that gave me an awful lot of stress. But anyway, if I can do it, so can you. Don't forget, Kosha got it, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.